Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this simple jollof rice using just tomato paste. We're not going to be adding any fresh tomato or anything, so let's get right into the video. So I have my oil already heat up, and I'm just going to throw in my chopped onion, and I will let that saute for a bit before I add my garlic and ginger blend. So yeah, and now I will add my garlic and ginger blend. This is it. I'm just using very little, and yeah, I will stir this a bit before adding the tomato paste. So now guys, I'm going to be adding the tomato paste. This is a quantity I want to use. You can use more if you want to. So I'm just going to add this and let it fry. This shouldn't fry. I will let it fry until the sour taste has removed from the tomato paste. So I'm just going to allow it fry properly anyways, and once that has fried, I will season. So guys, it looks like my tomato is ready, and this is what it's looking like, properly fried, and I tasted it. It's not that soured as I expected. So I will season now with my mixed seasoning. I'm just going to season slightly and add some salt and some extra seasoning. I'm just going to stir this, and then I will add my meat stock. Meat stock is very important guys for this. So I'm going to add my meat stock, and this is it. I'll add that, stir it, add some extra water, cover and allow it to come to a boil before I add my rice. So guys, I'm going to be adding some extra water, and I will add a little bit of seasoning cube for extra taste. So yeah, I'm going to add my seasoning cube as well. I added my curry, my thyme, all the required or necessary seasonings for jollof rice. I added it in my mixed seasonings. So I'm just going to cover this and let it boil. And now guys, I will add my pre-cooked rice, and I'm going to stir this properly and stir it properly, reduce the heat and allow it to cook. So guys, this is what my jollof rice is looking like. You could use extra tomato paste if you want it more reddish in color, so you can always use extra tomato paste. I just wanted my own a little bit simple because I was in a hurry and people were hungry. So now guys, my jollof rice is ready. I'm just going to insert my spoon to see if the water has dried up, and yeah, the water has dried up properly. So I'm just going to stir this, mix it properly, and then I will serve. So guys, I already have my fried turkey on the side, so I'm just waiting for the rice to be properly cooked. So I'm just going to stir this properly to incorporate all the ingredients and the stew, the sauce for the jollof rice, and once that is done, I will serve with my turkey. So guys, this is a very easy recipe on the go, very quick if you do not want to buy fresh tomatoes, because currently fresh tomatoes are expensive in Nigeria. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below. Until I see you in my next one. Bye guys.